आप देख रहे हैं रोशन पाकिस्तान न्यूज।
Make it the pearl of the SEO region. We congratulate Kyrgyzstan for its excellent stewardship of SEO since the historic Qingdao summit in China last year. As the Russian Federation takes the baton, we are confident that the SEO's onward march would continue smoothly. Excellencies, Pakistan has historic ties with the nation and countries represented around the table. We may be new to the SEO family, but our links are deep and abiding. SEO is the modern expression of our historic roots. Our economic linkages are equally compelling. Pakistan provides the vital connectivity between the Middle East and China and Central and South Asia. These geographic proximities and economic imperatives draw us closer to the SCO. Excellencies, Pakistan today is a country of over 200 million resilient and enterprising people. Pakistan is an attractive investment destination and a large market endowed with a rich array of resources. Our predominantly young population is imbued with immense energy and creativity. Our other endowments include a vast pool of skilled human resource, a large agrarian base, tremendous tourist potential, diverse mineral wealth, and a developed IT infrastructure. Pakistan's foreign policy outlook is anchored on the inextricable link between peace and development. We build partnerships based on mutual respect, sovereign equality, and equal benefit. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, the flagship project of President Xi's far-sighted Belt and Road Initiative, is fast reaching fruition. Gwadar Port, at its southern end, marks the only point of convergence of the maritime belt and the overland road. I was in China in April for the second Belt and Road Forum, where we also launched the next phase of CPEC and concluded an upgraded Pakistan-China free trade agreement. In time, CPEC is destined to catalyze the creation of an integrated pan-Asian sphere of shared prosperity. Excellencies, the world stands at crossroads. For the first time in ages, we are seeing the advent of a multipolar global order. Epicenters of economic power and growth momentum are shifting eastwards. Regional integration is speeding up. Disruptive technologies are maturing. Threats from terrorism to climate change to narcotics to bacterial resistance continue to loom large on humanity. There are increasing barriers to open trade and innovation. Meanwhile, growing intolerance and Islamophobia are threatening to accentuate religious fault lines. For its part, Pakistan condemns terrorism in all its forms and manifestations, including state terrorism against people under illegal occupation. We are among the few countries to have successfully turned the tide against terrorism, and at a heavy cost to our soldiers and to our population. Pakistan remains ready to share its experience and expertise in counterterrorism. We also remain actively engaged in the SCO's counterterrorism initiatives. Excellencies, there is finally a realization that the conflict in Afghanistan has no military solution. Pakistan is fully supporting efforts for peace and reconciliation through an Afghan-led and Afghan-owned peace process. We deem this to be part of a shared responsibility and therefore appreciate the positive contributions being made by China, Russia, and Afghanistan's immediate neighbors. SCO's support for conflict, Afghanistan will remain crucial. Excellencies, South Asia continues to be challenged by common enemies, poverty, illiteracy, disease, and underdevelopment. Political differences and unresolved disputes further compound this predicament. Enduring peace and prosperity in South Asia will remain elusive until the main dynamic in South Asia is shifted from confrontation to cooperation. It's important to seize the opportunities for peaceful resolution of outstanding disputes and collective endeavors for regional prosperity.